Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into a REALME C35. In the first step, need to go into a Google application. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings, this one. Here go into Google Assistant, and now in this menu scroll down and go into general option. And last one, tap here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant. And to confirm operation, tapping turn on one more time. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.